Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today it's barbecued pulled chicken tacos. First, let's put together the marinade. Before I put it on the grill, I like to spatchcock my chicken. I have 2 extra chicken breasts because I gotta feed the family. But one thing I did want to show you was that I also took out the bones behind the breast. We'll let that set up for at least 3 to 4 hours. The chicken has been marinating for about 3.5 hours now, and it's been sitting out on the counter for about an hour. Let's go ahead and get it on the grill. For this cook, we're going to get the Weber really hot. We're going to use a whole chimney, plus a little, and a few hickory wood chunks. I shouldn't need to take a look at this until it's about 155. All right, welcome back. Another episode. Who knew? So there's construction going on next door, but I want to welcome you back. Today is pulled chicken tacos. We're going to serve that on homemade tortillas that I rolled out myself, some avocado salsa, and a little Monterey Jack cheese. I can do 1,000 of these taco videos. I taco everything. One of the nice things about using your Bluetooth thermometer on this kind of a cook is that you don't ever have to open the lid. What do they say? If you're looking, you're not cooking. So if you don't have a Bluetooth thermometer, you should get one. There's a lot of good ones out on the market. Thanks for watching A View to a Grill. Let's continue the video. We've come up to temp. We're at 162. Let's check out this chicken. Looks good. Feels good. Nice crispy skin. Let's get it off. Here's one of those chicken breasts that we also put on there. Juicy. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and get these shredded. We're going to start off with a fresh, warm, homemade flour tortilla. Some of our pulled chicken, avocado salsa, Monterey Jack cheese, fresh cilantro. Let's give it a shot. The chicken is tender. The avocado salsa is nice, creamy. The homemade tortilla is awesome. As you can see, this ain't gonna last long. Thanks for watching A View to a Grill, and I'll see you next time. For those of you who are still here, welcome to Boy Meets Taco. Insert joke here. No pun intended. Oh, wow. Nothing wrong with tacos. Let me tell you what. We eat them a lot here at the house. It's probably our favorite meal. Well, some kind of taco. I kind of like to know, what kind of tacos do you like? Where have you found that perfect taco recipe? Leave them down in the comments below. I'd love to see them. I wish I had time to make fresh tortillas all the time, but I just don't. They're well worth the trouble when it comes to your flour tortilla tacos. We're probably going to do a ton of taco recipes. As always, thank you for watching A View to a Grill. We'll see you next time.